Guide to Resetting Your Smoke Alarm. Hey Tech Flirts. You know the feeling, you are cooking something ambitious, or maybe just burning toast. The smoke alarm shrieks, and even after you clear the air, that piercing sound just won't quit. It's the ultimate tech tantrum. One of our highest performing videos of all time was about this exact situation, so let's dive deeper. While resetting a smoke alarm seems simple, different types require different steps. This guide will help you silence the noise, restore your sanity, and get back to flirting with technology. The big three: identifying your alarm type. First, you need to know what you are dealing with. The reset process depends heavily on whether your alarm is battery powered, hardwired, or connected to a smart home system. The standard battery-powered alarm. These are the simplest. They usually run on a 9-volt or a batteries and are not connected to your home's main power. How to reset? Remove the batteries. Take the alarm down from the ceiling. It usually twists off a mounting bracket. Open the battery compartment and remove both the batteries and any backup battery. Drain the power. Press and hold the test button for 15 to 20 seconds. This is critical. It drains any residual power left in the capacitor and clears the false alarm memory. Replace power. Install a fresh set of batteries. If the alarm is functional, it should chirp once when power is restored. Test and remount. Press the test button to ensure it chirps correctly, then twist it back onto the mounting bracket. The hardwired alarm, the tricky one. Hardwired alarms are connected to your home's electrical system, often with a battery backup. If one alarm goes off, all interconnected alarms go off. These are the most common cause of frustrating, continuous chirping after the smoke is gone. How to reset the full cycle? Find the source. First, identify the alarm that initially triggered the system. It will usually have a blinking red light that is slightly different from the others. Clear the network. Go to the initiating alarm. Hold the reset test button for about 30 seconds. The breaker box reset, mandatory. If the alarm network still won't silence, you need to cut the main power. Locate your circuit breaker panel. Find the breaker labeled smoke detectors, alarms, or the one that controls the circuit where the alarms are located. Flip the breaker off for the smoke detectors. Wait at least 60 seconds. This allows the battery backups to fully drain and the memory to clear. Flip the breaker back on. Retest. Reinstall the backup batteries, if applicable, and test the system. The alarms should all perform a short test and then go silent. The Smart Connected Alarm. For devices like Nest Protect or other VFE connected alarms, the reset process often involves the dedicated app. How to reset? Check the app. Open the alarm's companion app, e.g., Nest, Ring, etc. The app will often tell you which specific alarm is causing the fault. In-app silence reset. Most smart apps have a silence or clear alert function that resets the system digitally, often faster than physical manipulation. Physical reset, if app fails. If the app fails, follow the instructions for the battery-powered or hardwired type above, as the core mechanism is usually the same. Tech tip: why does it keep chirping? If your alarm is chirping every 30 to 60 seconds, it's almost always not a false alarm, it's telling you one of two things. Low battery. Replace the battery immediately. Don't just silence it, it's trying to save your life. End of life. Most smoke alarms have a lifespan of 8 to 10 years. After this time, the internal sensing mechanism, ionization or photoelectric chamber, degrades. If your alarm is near a decade old, a persistent chirp means it's time to replace the unit entirely. Safety first, flirts. Make sure you know which type of alarm you have before the next cooking disaster.